it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I've got for you an unboxing of this month's secret scent box. So yes, for today's video we are unboxing May's secret scent box. Jake's actually joining us today. Hey Jakey. He's my gorgeous boy. Obviously jealous of Luna stealing his screen time. Luna's actually out walking with Chris. Jake didn't want to go, so he's joining me for a video. Okay, so Secret Scents. Enough of the dogs. Secret Scents is a fragrance subscription box. Each month we get to try 3 different designer fragrances. There can be various different bits and bobs. I've had some really good ones in the past. I've actually gone on to buy previously. This is kindly sent to me by Secret Scents every month. It's a beautiful way to try different fragrances. It's like a little treat every month. Really, really nice. So if you want to subscribe to Secret Scents, then you'll get the 3 designer fragrances each month. It is enough to last you the whole month. There are 3 ways of subscribing. You can subscribe for just 1 month at a time, which will cost you £15. If you want to subscribe for 6 months, then it works out £14 per month. Or if you want to subscribe for 12 months, then it will be just £13 per month. Anyway, so it comes in this letterbox friendly box, which I think is so important because it means you don't have to worry about being in. The world's opening up a bit more now. Maybe you want to be out and about, don't want to be in for a delivery visit. You don't have to worry because it's here. It's in a little letterbox box. And then when we open it up, we get a beautiful little kind of gift box, I guess. It always seems really nice to get this nicely presented box. And then inside we get I'm dropping it all, don't mind me. But we get a little card that tells us which month's box it is, and then we get something that tells you about if you leave a review, you might get an Amazon gift card. And then for each of the fragrances, we get a little bit of information about them. So what I will do, which I do every Secret Scents unboxing, is I will give the fragrances a little spray. I will tell you what they say on the card, and we'll see what we think of this month's. I say it very often in these Secret Scents unboxings. I do find it really useful because I don't think you know about a fragrance until you've really worn it. So I think it's great that you can try it before you splash out on a bigger bottle. Okay, so our first fragrance this month is from Michael Kors, and it is White Luminous Gold. So it says, celebrating the dazzling vibrancy and subtle elegance of white gold, this decadent scent oozes femininity, luxury and style. Sounds very promising. Sounds nice. It has top notes of sparkling pear, middle notes of jasmine, and base notes of amber. Okay, so let's give that a little smell. I've sprayed my hand instead of the card. Ooh, nice. It's like a fruity floral. I always worry that I'm hopeless at describing scents, but I think that's what I'm getting. I'm getting fruitiness, but also floralness. It's not an overpowering scent, which is nice. I do like a more subtle scent, so that's really, really nice. The next fragrance in this month's box then comes from Abercrombie & Fitch, and it is their Authentic Night for Her. So it says, Authentic Night for Women is a new fragrance for the woman who loves sharing life's real, raw and unexpected moments with friends. I always find it weird on these things how they can describe who a person is just by the fragrance. So this one has top notes of blackcurrant, apple and pink pepper. I'm not a blackcurrant fan. Love a pepper in a perfume though. Middle notes of tuberose, jasmine, sambac and magnolia, with base notes of sandalwood, cedar and patchouli. Okay, and I have just broke the bottle. I'm trying to get the lid off. Nope, broken it again. Okay, for some reason I cannot get the lid off. But I can still smell it, so let's have a little smell. There's not an awful lot to that one, I don't think. It's a really, 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 really subtle fragrance. Like, I don't feel like it's strong at all. And I was thinking it was going to seem more strong because I'm sniffing the little vial because I can't get the top off. But I'm not getting much at all. No, not getting much at all. And I still can't get the lid off. Nope. Okay, yeah, not a lot of that one. No. Okay, so the final fragrance in this month's box is from Davidoff, and it is their Cool Water Mirror. It says, a new limited edition floral fragrance from Davidoff, launched in 2020. Developed by perfumer Jerome de Marino, it is perfect for any occasion. It has top notes of green mandarin and flower petals. It has middle notes of magnolia and base notes of tuberose. Oh my god, this one's just done the... It's done the same with the top. Why aren't the lids coming off? Okay. This one's definitely, I can smell it more. I've got it on my nose. Could definitely smell that one more. I feel like that's kind of almost a unisex scent. I know it's probably for women, but I do feel like it's a very... Hey, I got the lid off though. Gonna give it a spritz. Okay. Maybe. I think a man could get away with that. But it's a very fresh scent. Okay, yeah, I feel like it's not a particularly feminine scent, if that makes any sense. I was expecting it to be for some reason. It's the flower petals and things, but I don't... It's nice though, it's nice. Don't know what to do with this middle one. Nope, still can't get the lid off. I just thought, oh! And I squirted myself in the face with it. But still not getting a lot of scent from it. I don't know if it's just me. I have had quite a few sneezy hay fever days recently, so maybe my sense of smell is not the best this month. So I do apologise if I've not done the best job of describing the fragrances this month. But the first one's probably my favourite one. I liked the Davidoff, and yeah, I don't really know about the Abercrombie one. Can't really say I can smell an awful lot of that. But then I do like a subtle fragrance. Who knows? Anyways, that is Secret Scents. I do genuinely really like these boxes. I do feel like it's a great way to try new fragrances. Like I say, there's quite a few I've liked in these boxes, enjoyed, I've actually gone on to buy. Because I can be really fussy when it comes to scents. I don't know if you guys are the same, but I can't always use the same deodorant. After like a year or two of wearing it, I'll be like, I don't really want that one anymore. So to be able to try all these scents and decide what I like and what I don't like, I just find it super duper useful. And it's not even just like you're spraying them on the card in the shop. You get to wear these for the entire month and see what you think. I just think it's a great idea. It's a great little idea. It's a nice little treat to come through your letterbox every month. And if you're a fragrance lover, then it is a must. They do also do a men's box, but I've got obviously the her box. Okay guys, so that is this month's Secret Scents box. Let me know what you think. Are you a fragrance fan? Have you heard of any of these fragrances? Let me know what you think of them. Let me know what you think of the idea of a fragrance subscription box. Like I say, wonderful idea in my opinion. And that's it then guys. If you've enjoyed the video, please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe to my channel. I do various unboxings like this. I have various hauls, different bits and bobs. Take a look at my channel, you will get the idea. I've got two doggies who often make an appearance, so if you like doggies, stick around. Check out my other videos. My Staffy puppy, she likes to be in them often. She's definitely stealing my screen time, honestly. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.